Ancient humans faced terrifying dangers: lions, snakes, hyenas, hunger, cold nights. But one of the creatures that may have shaped their survival was tiny, almost silent, and easy to ignore: a mosquito. Imagine a small group of humans walking across ancient Africa. For days, they search for a place to stop. Then they find it: a green valley, fresh water nearby, animals to hunt, shade to sleep under. To them, this place looks perfect. It looks safe. But as the sun begins to disappear, the air changes. A soft buzzing rises from the wet ground. Mosquitoes gather near the water. They land on arms, on faces, on children sleeping near the fire. The bites seem harmless, annoying, but nothing compared to a lion in the dark. Then, days later, a child develops a fever. A hunter begins shaking through the night. A mother becomes too weak to walk. One by one, the perfect valley starts taking people from the group. They do not know what malaria is. They cannot see the parasite. They do not know that a mosquito bite can carry disease from one human to another. They only understand the pattern. People get sick here. Children die here. Strong hunters weaken here. And suddenly, this beautiful valley no longer feels like home. Now the group faces a brutal choice: stay near the water, the food, and the animals they need to hunt, or leave everything behind and search for safer ground. For ancient humans, that choice could decide who lived and who disappeared. A wetland might be full of food, but too dangerous to settle near. A riverbank might provide water, but become deadly after sunset. A drier place might offer less, but give the group a better chance to survive. And now, science suggests this may have happened on a much larger scale. Recent research indicates that malaria risk may have influenced where early human populations lived across parts of Africa over thousands of years. Think about that. Mosquitoes may not have simply made ancient life miserable. Through malaria, they may have influenced where humans gathered, where they avoided, which groups met, and which communities survived long enough to continue their story. We often imagine human history being shaped by enormous forces: drought, ice, predators, mountains. But sometimes the greatest barrier is not a desert, not a raging river, not a beast with teeth. Sometimes it is a tiny insect in the darkness, carrying a danger no one can see. Ancient humans did not need to understand the enemy. They only needed to remember the warning: if a place kept making people sick, you did not stay, you moved. And over thousands of years, one of the smallest creatures on Earth may have helped redraw the human map.